How to log out Truecaller account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can log out of our Truecaller account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to log out of our Truecaller account, all you have to do is, first of all, let's say you have the Truecaller application installed here, right? So let me go ahead and then open up the Truecaller app over here as well. And once you have Truecaller, you have been logged in here, but let's say that whenever you go to the more option, you go here, you can see there is no option to just log out. So I go to my about section, there is no logout option, or wherever I go you can see. Now it is because Truecaller app themselves does not offer you a way to log out, but if you are on Android, things were a little bit different. You would be able to clear the data of the application and then just reset the app to log out. But unfortunately on iOS and iPhones that's not the case. You can't just go ahead and then just delete only the data. The only way you can log out of Truecaller on iPhone is that you uninstall the app, and once you uninstall the app, reinstall the app from the App Store, and only then you will be able to help yourself solve that problem. So hope this video helped you as to how you can log out of Truecaller. Bottom line is to log out and then go ahead and uninstall and reinstall. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.